Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and for this week I didn't really have much planned because the 6-day star blanket from last week took a lot out of me. So I knew I definitely wanted to work on something for myself this week, or to work on something kind of mindless. And I did have one order that I had to get done, and I will show you that now because it was a custom order and I didn't film any of it, but there's some pretty cute things in here and I wanted to show you. So I had a sale on my Facebook page where I sell my items, and this lady bought a few items and had a few custom items, so I'll go ahead and show you everything that she bought. So she bought this rainbow turtle, which is really pretty. And then she bought 2 octos, and then a yellow chicken, and she had custom ordered 2 cats, 2 mini loaf cats, and a hedgehog, which I've made this before, but that's what she custom ordered. And then I got some yarn from a nice lady in my area, and she just had a bunch of free scrap yarn, and in there was a bunch of balls and 2 cones of this brown and white multicolored yarn. It's Lily Sugar and Cream, or it's probably Lily Sugar and Cream, but it's 100% cotton. And I wanted to have a project for work, and I've been watching Passionate Kelsey a lot, and she's been making tote bags, and so I wanted to make a tote bag, but I didn't really know which kind of tote bag I wanted to make, so I just went on YouTube and found a pattern that it's really cute, and I hope I can make some more for some people. But I will insert a picture right here of the video and the creator and what it's gonna look like. But here's what I have started so far. I'm loving the way that the stripes are going, but I need to make like 40 more rows going up. So this is my project I'm taking to work, so I won't get a lot of work done on it because I don't have a lot of time at work, but I do like bringing something with me, and that's what I have for that. That'll be an ongoing project. Probably won't have that done for a while. But my main project that I've been working on this week, which I haven't got much done, but I have been working on it. Like I said, I've been taking breaks here and there. I haven't filmed a lot, so this week will probably be a very short video, but I'm gonna get something out for you guys. But my dad requested that I make him something to cover the top of his dresser, and so he said do whatever. So I found a bunch of scrap balls of yarn, and I've been making him this. It's gonna be 36 inches long, so I need to keep going a lot, but it's the wheat stitch. It's one of my favorite stitches to do, and I'm just going row by row, using up random colors, random scraps that I have. And so far I've gotten quite a lot done and gone through quite a lot of scraps, but I will be working on this the rest of the day and tomorrow I will edit. But other than that, not much happening this week. Been a slow week, but I will film some more of this from this afternoon, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in a little bit. Hello everyone, so I am back and it is the end of the week and I am getting ready to edit and post this video for tomorrow. But I wanted to come on here and show you what I did the last few days. I haven't done too much. I had some really bad neck pain because I slept on my neck wrong, so I haven't done a whole lot. But this weekend is going to be pretty busy, but I'm going to be crocheting hopefully in between all of our activities that we have going on. But next week I'll be continuing this mat blanket thing for the top of a dresser, and I got pretty good progress on it, and I probably have like 5 more of these rows left, and I've been working through my scrap yarn. That's the update I have on that. The tote bag I don't have an update on, didn't get to work on it, but I will be working on that this weekend and next week. But for next week's video, there will just be more crocheting and vlogging and whatever else I get up to. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and comment down below if you did enjoy this video and what other videos you'd like to see me film, or if there's any challenges you want to see me do. Definitely let me know. But that is all for this week's video, and I will see you guys next week. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.